So here's how to add border in Microsoft Word document. It's quite simple and easy thing to do, so let's get started. First of all, on the left upper side, you will probably see the design option. So you need to select the design, and then on the right, you will see the page border option. So select the page border, and then this dialog box will appear. First of all, you need to select the box from here, and then from the style you can see there are lots of style like dotted lines, and these dotted lines can be different like this. And also you will find some double lines as well, and also some curvy lines. You can simply go through all of these to find out the best suitable for you, but for me the single line is perfect, so I will go with that. And then from the color, the automatic color will be black. So if you are okay with that, you can simply go with the black. Rather than that, you can select any color you want from here. Also, you can go with the more color to find out the different types of color with different color codes. All right, then from here you will see the width option. So I have find the perfect width like 2.5 is the greatest for me. So you can also go through as your needings. You can play with it, no worries. Then from the art, you will see different types of art here, but I don't think this will be necessary as I'm writing a paragraph for the school assignment, so I will leave it as none. So on the right side, apply to, if you want to apply the border to whole of the document, then simply tap on the whole document, or you can simply go with this page, and also you can select this section, expect the first page as well. So for my case, I'm going with the whole document, and then simply tap on OK. And as you can see, we got a border in both of the pages. So that's how you can add border in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.